again. In my previous video, I basically went over the layout and how exactly Sony Vegas works. Now, in this tutorial, I'm going to go over the layer system and how that works. Then, I'm going to show you different composing modes right here. I'll go over a couple and I'll show you a couple of examples and how they work. So, the first thing you're going to notice is that Sony Vegas is a hierarchy type of layering system. Whatever's on top is going to supersede whatever is on below. So I'll go ahead and let me show you a quick example of something I've made in the past. Let me see. Alright, so now you're going to notice how I layered this. You'll see a couple of crossfades, which I'll go into later on how you do them, and a couple of transitions. So let me go ahead and play this right here. So basically how that works is you basically insert layers, and each layer, whichever is on top, will appear over anything that's below. So let me go ahead and I'll make a quick example. You right click to add these tracks. This is the key essentials to placing media in. Normally if you just drag and drop, that'll work just fine. It's just that's just it's a quick way of getting it down. So here, let me throw down some Punisher Warzone. Anyway, real quickly, I'll show you how to blend a couple of scenes. I'll just pull this out right here. I'll just grab another random segment. I'm just gonna basically just show you the nuts and bolts of how it works. So now you have these two clips here. But what if you want to place one on top of the other, so that you can have the hierarchy system, to where one will randomly come in. You can insert video track. To insert a video track, you can just right click on the blank area, or you can just right click here. Now if you right click on a video track, it'll only let you insert a video track. But if you click over here, it'll let you insert audio or video. The same for audio is that if you right click audio track, you can only insert an audio track. So let me go ahead and pull this right here. I'm going to mute this audio. That is basically the mute. It mutes only that single track. I'll grab this and put that in there. Now I'll see this little blue dot in the upper left corner. I'm going to pull that over. Go back over here. Play it. We'll see what happens. We'll go ahead and skip a little bit up. That's a pretty long scene. Now watch what happens when it goes over. Now you're going to see it's kind of lagging right now. And that's because your computer has to generate what's going to appear over it. Now you can slowly see those two characters appearing in. And that basically shows the layering system and how it works. In my next tutorial, I'll go over